morning. Today is Friday, the last trading day for the week itself, and it is December the 15th, and the time right now is 2 minutes to 9 in the morning. Overnight, we can see that the dollar continues to tumble. In fact, we are now approaching very, very close to the year's low. Just 2 months ago, on October the 3rd, we can see that the dollar index was trading just marginally above the 107. Currently, it's at 101.39 low, which we saw this morning. So the dollar has come a long way in just slightly more than 2 months. So this is the current trajectory of the dollar. Now, this week on Wednesday, we have the FOMC meeting in which the Fed signals that it has reached peak interest rates and is looking to cut interest rates going into 2024. Now, that took the floor away from the dollar, which caused a massive acceleration to the downside in the dollar index. And like I said, overnight, the low was at 101.39. Now, this is a very key technical point here, because from the high here of 106.98 to 104.69 to the bounce of 105.96, this is a 200% decline, and this is a sensitive area. The 200% decline target is a 101.37. So we are almost there. Technically, we can say that it has already hit that level. So it will be very interesting to see if that's going to be able to cause at least a temporary bounce in the dollar, at least in the very, very short term. Although we have 2 more weeks to go before the year end, there's a real possibility market may go under the 100 point levels, which will technically take the dollar back to the day below the year's low. So we want to watch how this market develops, and it's getting very, very interesting. For now, there is very little love for the dollar because the Fed has already spoken, and nobody in their right mind will want to be holding on to dollar. But technically, this is exactly where the surprise could come in. I expect some kind of a bounce going forward, at least in the very near term. Now, today is Friday, and it is the last trading day for the week, and it's going to be crucial how the dollar index closed. In fact, it's going to be crucial how most of the asset classes close. Tonight, we're going to have the triple witching day in equity markets, in which the stock options, the index, the futures on equity index futures options, as well as option on futures will all expire at the same time. And this is important because the total notional value is worth $5 trillion worth of options that will expire tonight. This is going to cause a little bit of excitement going into tonight's US trading. So do watch out for the possibility of a bounce in the dollar before the week is over. This is all I have for you. In the meantime, you take care, and I'll come back to you next week with further updates. And in the meantime, you have a great weekend ahead. Bye-bye. Take care.